Hey guys, this is me from I'm Super Elephant Logan Show account from Luigi Logan Show. Anyway, account. Anyway, welcome to the unboxing. Let's go start it. Okay. Well guys, we're unboxing video. I got unboxing. Okay, let's open it. Wow, I like it. That's Green Toad. Hold on. I'll be back. Okay, we'll be back. Oh, there he is. 1 second. I hate you. I'm gonna kill you, bastard. So stupid, dumb idiot. Anyway, I don't like blue, just a little bit. I don't like red either. I do like it. I like green. That's my favorite. Looks like Luigi. We'll be back, okay? Look, see? See, guys. They're funny. Well, anyway, let the mushroom have. And then, oh well. What the hell? I just my sun pack. Somehow, that's it. Anyway, guys, you see my face. Okay, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Got a 6 flush. Hell yeah. Okay. Anyway, guys. I hate getting wet. Maybe get wet. Only someday, yeah. Whoa, you get me wet. What good? What the hell? Freak. I'm not gonna say that word. That's gonna put free. I'm not gonna say bad words. Oh well. Anyway, I like the new unboxing Toad. I get it from Amazon. I felt different. I said, wait a minute. I felt different. I looked like eBay. eBay's so hard. I like eBay. I saw Mario Party 5. Hey, let me show something. Look, see? You see a name tag? This is Japanese. Looks like Super Mario Party 5 plush. I thought I took the clothes off. Look. I'm gonna put on clothes back on. Just put on the clothes. Yeah, I hate getting lost. Anyway, guys, okay, guys, what did you do? You like it? Yeah, that's cool. Anyway, guys, let's be told. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time, okay? On Super Elephant Logan Show, okay? It looks like Super Bowser from SML. I don't know. I watched SML Super Mario Logan Show from Jeffy on 2016. What the hell? Freaking goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, man. Well, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Damn it. That's backwards. Much better. Anyway, guys. Anyway, guys. Walmart Dane. I saw super white Yoshi Logan. So, I got new super Jennifer Monica. That's my mom, okay? Oh well. Zoom in. Anyway, I see happy super elephant Logan. The four, um, the 4th day of July is almost coming soon. Okay, I'm not gonna be here at the Rato. I'll be at Rancho Cucamonga anyway. I'm at my grandma's house anyway. I see you tomorrow.